Hello friends, Vishwas Joshi here. Philately of India of the year 2007. A selection from our collection. Bimal Roy, the director. Do Bigha Jameen, Parinita, Devdas, Madhumati, Sujata, Parakh, Bandini. Words more than these may prove to be superfluous and hence redundant. Tamil Nadu Cricket Association. It was established in 1930. Fragrance of Roses. The second fragrance stamp from India combining fragrance with beauty. 4 Indian varieties shown are Bhim, Delhi Princess, Neelam, Jawahar. Fairs of India. Pushkar Mela, Sonpur Fair, Goa Carnival, Baul Mela. Mehboob Khan, the great producer and director of Hindi cinema. Few of his creations are Andaz, Aan, Aurat and Mother India, the last being at the zenith point. The depiction is picturesque. 2550 years of Mahanirvan of Gautam Buddha. 6 stamps are published. National Parks of India. This theme is recurring in Philately of India. The 5 stamps show Bandhavgarh, Bandipur, Kaziranga, Mudumalai and Periyar. The First War of Independence is a recurring theme in Philately of India. The occasion is 150th year of that war. Depictions are Battle of Lucknow and Battle of Kanpur. Landmark Bridges of India. Mahatma Gandhi Bridge at Patna, Howrah Bridge at Calcutta, Pamban Bridge at Rameshwar and Vidyasagar Bridge on the river Hooghly at Calcutta. The occasion is 53rd Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference hosted by India. The theme of conference was Delivering Democracy and Sustainable Development. Sachin Dev Burman, the singer with earthen voice. A composer with a blend of rhythm and melody. Sachin Dev offered a unique decoction of folk music and modern tunes. Centenary of Satyagraha. Indian Air Force celebrates Platinum Jubilee. 5 stamps on renewable energy. 150 years of 1st Battalion, the 4th Gurkha Rifles. International Day of Disabled Persons. There is a lot to be observed on the first day cover, the depiction of the stamp and the cancellation mark. On the FDC is written the same theme in Braille. 175 years of Wilson College, Bombay. The alumni includes Usha Mehta, Acharya Krupalani, Shripad Amrut Dange, Alu Dastur, Bala Saheb Kher, Morarji Desai, Mahamhopadhyay Pawa Kane, Bharat Ratna Dhondo Keshav Karve. What a glory! Rutvik Ghatak, the film director. Thank you for being with Vishwas Joshi. Don't forget to like and share. Also, subscribe to our channel Swananda Lahari.